Welcome to Janda, Japan, your trusted auto partner. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stylish and smart Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid Z, a compact SUV that blends efficiency, innovation, and urban appeal. If you're looking for a fuel-efficient, city-friendly SUV with Toyota's hybrid technology, this could be the perfect match. The model we have today is the 2020 Yaris Cross Hybrid Z, finished in a sleek dark blue metallic. This SUV brings modern urban design with Toyota's signature sharp lines, a bold grille, and a muscular stance. It's a 5-door model, featuring LED headlights, integrated daytime running lights, roof rails, and premium alloy wheels. With a length of 4.1 meters and a height of 1.52 meters, it strikes the right balance between compact handling and spacious utility under the hood. The Yaris Cross Hybrid Z is powered by a 1.5-liter petrol engine paired with Toyota's proven hybrid system, offering smooth automatic transmission and a 2-wheel drive layout. It's built for fuel efficiency and low emissions, making it a great choice for both city commutes and weekend drives. Despite its eco-friendly credentials, it provides responsive handling and a confident drive. Step inside, and you're greeted with a well-designed, modern interior. This unit seats 5 passengers, with ample legroom and headspace. The seats offer premium fabric or optional synthetic leather, and the driver enjoys a multi-function steering wheel, digital display cluster, and push start. Standard features include automatic climate control, touchscreen infotainment, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and adaptive cruise control. Toyota doesn't compromise on safety. The Yaris Cross Hybrid Z comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, including pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control ABS, traction control, and multiple airbags. It also features parking sensors and reverse camera for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. With only 19,000 kilometers driven, no repair history, and in excellent condition, this 2020 Yaris Cross Hybrid Z is a fantastic value for money. It combines cutting-edge hybrid technology with modern design and outstanding practicality. If you're interested in this car or similar models, contact us today at Janda Japan, your trusted auto partner for reliable Japanese vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.